The comparison of iPhone 5 original and the high copy LCD. First, the two-dimension code. The two-dimension code on the back of the LCD complete. The original is nitty, high copy is dim and rough. The original texts are in gray, but high copy is in white. The protector film. The original protector film has the two-dimension code, but the high copy has no. And the front glass. The original front glass is pure white, while the high copy is a little bit blue. And the two-dimension code on the back. The original is nitty, while the high copy is dim and rough. And the flex. The original flex is matte finished, is soft and foldable, while the high copy is glaze. Material is not so good, it's a little bit hard, like the plastic feeling. And the IC cover. The original has the two-dimension code, and the solid points are very litty, while the high copy solid points have a solder iron and a resin left without two-dimension code. The camera hole. The original has an electronic planting ring, while the high copy doesn't have. The original front glass is extremely smooth without any defectives, while the high copy is not slick, has a bit rough. And the water drops from the water of original front glass that is rolling nitty, but the water drop goes flat on high copy glass.